This is the story of Arnel Pineda, entitled Phone Call That Changed My Life. I'm Angelo Tapel of the class of 3G. Who, where, and when is Arnel Pineda? He was born September 5, 1967, in the suburban streets of Sampaloc, Manila. Arnel was influenced into the realm of music by such artists as Barbara Streisand, Karen Carpenter, The Beatles, and many, many more. Arnel wasn't as lucky as the musicians in his time. He was at a constant battle against poverty. His mother died when he was at the age of 13, thus leading to deaths of his family. He spent 2 years on the street surviving by collecting scrap metals, selling newspapers, and sleeping on sidewalks. Even though he had a problem financially, he still encouraged himself in his passion. He idolized bands from his time including Earth, Wind and Fire, Queen, and many more. After his trials, he was given a chance to perform as an independent singer in Hong Kong. He sang at mediocre restaurants, bars, and nightclubs. During his experience in Hong Kong, consciously or unconsciously, he developed his voice and through tremendous practice, he became better at his vocation. Then he returned to his homeland, the Philippines. He came back with the experience and the abilities of a professional performer. He formed the band The Zoo and started covering the songs of bands from the 70s, 80s, and 90s, ranging from Led Zeppelin to Michael Jackson. One day, he received an email from a guy named Neil Sean saying that he saw Arnel in the zoo covered one of his band song and that he is currently looking for a new lead singer. His band was Journey. At first, Arnel thought it was a hoax, but then Neil had called him and after 2 days flew to San Francisco, California to audition and immediately he got the position. Arnel, after all his hard work, reached his greatest dream. To be part of one of his favorite bands was a lifelong dream to me, he said. He quickly became an international phenomenon. His first big break was the album Revelation, in which he was the lead vocalist of most of the songs. Arnel Pineda has a family in the Philippines. He is married to Cherry. Their love blessed them with three sons: Matthew, 20 years old, Angelo, 12, Cherub, 3. Arnel's story can be found in articles on the internet, particularly wikipedia.org, google.com, and arnelpinedarocks.com. I thank you, Sir Yuri Bongalos, for making this presentation possible. Again, I'm Angelo